Hello friends, today we are going to explore the most happiest country of the world. Guys, if you are a coffee lover, you should visit this place. This country is blessed with natural beauty. This country is also known as the country of lakes. Yes guys, today we are going to explore Finland. Guys, welcome back to our channel Country Info Vlogs, where we digitally explore the different countries of the world. Subscribe to our channel if you are new and hit that like button guys. Finland is the happiest country of the world. In a survey in 2019, it was ranked the most happiest country of the world. Guys, let me tell you, everything in this country is free. For the citizens of Finland, education and healthcare is free. Everything is taken care by their government. There are total 1,87,000 lakes in Finland, which makes it the country of lakes. Guys, can you believe that the population of this country is only 55 lakh and there are around 2 lakh lakes in this country? The capital of Finland is Helsinki. It is also known as the Blue City. Most of the lakes in this country are in Helsinki. Friends, the rules and regulations in Finland are very strict. If anyone is caught for overspeeding, they will have to pay a huge fine. Also, the fine issued here depends upon the person's salary. The higher the salary, the more the fine amount. People of Finland like playing sports. There is a popular competition in Finland in which the husband carries their wives on their shoulders and complete the race. The winner of this competition gets beer of the weight equals as his wife. There is one more popular sport in Finland. Every Sunday, people organize a mosquito killing sport. The winner of this sport is called the Mosquito Killer King. Friends, education is completely free in Finland. Books and school uniforms are provided by the government. Education is mandatory for everyone in Finland. People in this country love coffee. You can try different varieties of coffee in Finland. It's surprising to know that a single person in Finland can consume up to 12 kgs of coffee in a year, which is the highest in the world. Also in terms of milk per capita, Finland's rank first in the consumption of milk. Friends, now we know that Finland is the most happiest country of the world. The passport of this country ranks 4th best in the world. That means the people of Finland can travel to 190 countries without a visa. Finland is the oldest country to give women the right to vote. Guys, winters in Finland can last for 9 months in a year. The average temperature during these days is -5 degrees. The lowest temperature recorded here is -55 degrees. Guys, Finland is a different country. You will be surprised to know that sometimes it can be sunny for 23 hours in a day. There are few places in Finland which stay sunny for 50 days. In terms of air quality index, Finland ranks number 3 in the world. Guys, did you know that there is a golf course in Finland which is half in Finland and half in Sweden? This is the only golf course of this kind in the world. Guys, the famous cell phone company Nokia is from Finland. Not only this guys, the game Angry Bird is also developed by a Finland company. Friends, now explore the places which you can visit in Finland. Helsinki. Helsinki is the most popular place to visit in Finland and a destination you don't want to miss. There are many churches in Helsinki, the 3 most important of which are the Lutheran Cathedral, the Church in the Rock, and the Uspensky Cathedral. While there are dozens of excellent museums and galleries in Helsinki, one of the best is to see the National Museum of Finland, which does a great job of tracing Finnish history over time. Porvoo. It is the second oldest town in all of Finland. It is known for its unique wooden homes. Tourists can walk through the streets of Old Porvoo. You can see wooden architecture from 13th century. Levi. Finland is a nature lover's dream destination. For outdoor enthusiasts, winter resorts of Levi is undoubtedly a top pick for fun. Located in Finnish Lapland, Levi boasts miles of trails for skiing and snowboarding. There are also opportunities for more unusual activities, such as reindeer safaris, ice fishing, expeditions and relaxing in the large outdoor saunas. Friends, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our other videos. Till then, goodbye guys, take care.